What happens when a religious sect violates children's rights? This is the pressing question in Mahondoro village in Mashonaland West Province. A religious sect, led by Madzibaba Ishmael Chokurungarwa, stands accused of rampant violation of children's rights to education, health and access to birth certificates. Village headman, Linzwani Musanzwa, has taken a stand against this blatant disregard for children's rights. He has called upon the government to shut down the controversial sect, following the recent arrest of several members, including Madzibaba Ishmael himself. The charges? Alleged violations of the Burial and Cremation Act and the Children's Act. Headman Musanzwa spoke out against the sect's practices, stating that they permit child marriages and abuse of minors. He highlighted the grave danger this poses to the village's underage children. Child marriages are happening at the church. Therefore, I am asking for the protection of children from abuse, he said. He went on to detail the horrifying circumstances in which many underage girls are being married off, falling pregnant, and some even dying at the shrine during childbirth due to the sect's prohibition on seeking medical attention at hospitals. The headman also shed light on the sect's promotion of the abuse of women and girls through their open support for polygamy. Not only are polygamous marriages permitted, but men are also allowed to marry as many wives as they wish, sharing one bedroom and openly expressing intimacy. Alice Chapungu, the headman's wife and village health worker, has also voiced her concerns. She has called upon the Ministry of Health and Childcare to ensure that all minors receive the health care they need. The church forbids children and adults alike from going to hospitals when they fall sick, and this is leading to early and preventable deaths, mostly among children, she said. In a recent development, 2 women from Madzibaba Ishmael's sect were released on a $50 bail each by Harare magistrate Donald Ndiraway. These women were facing allegations of human trafficking and were arrested for allegedly harboring 9 women believed to be key witnesses in the case that led to their leader's arrest. This story brings to light the urgent need for laws that protect and fight for the rights of children and women. As the situation in Mahondoro village shows, it's a matter of life and death. The government's response to Headman Musanzwa's plea will be a testament to their commitment to protect the rights of their youngest and most vulnerable citizens.